Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to watch Bitcoin price and what it's going to do in the future. If you think that's interesting, stay with me. Otherwise, continue to buy that lottery ticket and maybe you'll get lucky. So, first thing we're going to put our Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to our lowest here. And as you can see, once we started this uptrend from here, at some level of this Fibonacci retracement tool, we had some corrections here, even here. No, we bounced from this resistance to this support, and the most important level was this golden pocket, and many people had an eye on this level, especially those people who accumulated in this zone because they were in profit. And this golden pocket level is really important, and as you can see, many people started to sell here and we had this correction. But this doesn't mean that we are going to track to a bear market. Honestly, I think that the bull market is not over yet, and this correction even happened in September. That is a really bad month historically for Bitcoin. Even if at the start of the month the price pumped and there was a little bit of euphoria, but I really think that especially in middle October to December, the euphoria will come back and we'll manage to go above this golden pocket, and especially we're going to create newer highs. I expect something like that to happen from October to December. But now let's get a little back to see where we are. If we take again our Fibonacci retracement tool from, let's say, this bottom here to our top, we can see that now once again when we touched this golden pocket here, now we bounced. And the most important thing I will say is that we don't go above this golden pocket, because if we go behind this 21k US dollars, basically the, let's say, bullish momentum for Bitcoin is going to vanish. Especially it's important to not close a daily candle below this golden pocket. But let's watch what is happening now. To keep it really simple, I'm going to put from this, let's say, top here to this second one. It's the same thing I'm going to do for this support line. As you can see, we are forming this downtrend wedge, as you can see, from here to here. And usually this is a bullish pattern, and we have to keep our eye on this resistance level here. And in this moment, as you can see, it's around 42.2k, and the support level, it's around 39.5k, around this area now. Of course, we could go and stay here for the next weeks and bounce on this support and resistance here, and at some point Bitcoin is going to decide if we going to break the resistance and go up, or if we are more bearish, we're going to break the support here. But the chances to break up are higher than the chances to go down. No, for example, here when we had this correction, we formed exactly a down wedge here, and you can see once we break this resistance, we went up. And honestly, I think this is going to happen again. Another interesting thing that I want to show you is that this area looks a lot like this one. And let me show you why. Because basically we have one here, look, okay, and one here. We have two here and two here. Now we have three here, you can see, and three here. And here we have four, and look, four here, and we have five here, and five here. And we could see here it's 6, and here would be 6. So at this point, I'm asking myself, could be the same pattern, the week of pattern, even here? Could we have the same thing here, like we had the same thing here? Because basically, when we reached that golden pocket here at 4, if you remember, many people were bullish again. Even the greed and fear index was pretty high. And we were, I would say, almost all people was ready that we'll go and test this all-time high, this one here. Many people expected that we will go and test this high again when we were here. They will expect something like that and to go test it and maybe go above it, and we will have created a new all-time highs. But there was too much euphoria, plus we had this golden pocket Fibonacci retracement here, and as you can see, we went down. Well, the interesting thing is that I agree with many people that we could go down here, at least to this support at this level. But I don't think that we're going to go so low like we did here, no? That we went down and had this big dump. I don't think that in this case we're going to go down here, no, and consolidate for many months. I don't think that in this case we'll see the same thing. And basically, if that would happen, let's watch where we will have some support. Let's say that this is the same level as you can see here, and that means that we could go down here. We should go back around 35k, but I don't think is that the case, because it's too similar, and too many people are expecting that we go to 38k nowadays. And when too many people expect one thing to happen, well, that thing won't happen. If you remember when we were down here, let me remove this, show you what I mean. Okay, now it's better. If you remember, guys, when we were in this area, well, many people were so feared to buy, to accumulate, because many people expected that we were going to 20k. No, many people expected that we will go to test around, let's say, this area here. Let me put again. No, many people expected that from here we will go down, test this support, and eventually we will go down and break it and go around to this area 20k. But too many people expected that, and you know, the crowd usually is wrong. And now you know that many people expect that 38k. And honestly, I don't think that we're going to go that low. Maybe we'll go to 21, 20k, and that level we're going to bounce. Maybe now something like this could happen. Let me show. I went too low. Or something like this. We bounce and we break for descending wedge, and we continue our run or bull run. Honestly, I think that is the more likely scenario. So now let me know what you guys think that is going to happen. This is all for this video. Thank you if you watch it till the end. Let me know in the comments. And I'm sorry for my English. I'm trying to improve it. And hey guys, invest responsibly. All this that I'm telling you is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. And stay crypto and stay safe. Have a great weekend.